To meet you, you're always helping people and smiling.
I had a son. He passed away. And I had a girl that loved me, and I threw that away. My mama died when I was a kid. My daddy, well, I watched him die. That weren't soon enough.
My husband died a long time ago. Life is full of pain, but there is also love and beauty.
What am I gonna do now?
Be grateful that for the first time you see your life clearly.
Sure.
Perhaps you could help somebody. Helping makes you really happy.
I still don't believe in nothing.
I meet someone like you, and everything makes sense.
You're too smart for me, sister. I guess I'm afraid.